Today we're going to show you how to customize shortcuts on your Descent Mk3 series dive computer watch. This includes the controls and hotkeys. Controls allow you to quickly access many of the commonly used tools, including pool mode, Garmin Pay wallet, and flashlight settings. To access the controls menu, press and hold the light button. Here you can view all of the preset controls. You can use the up and down buttons to scroll through the options. To add a new control, press and hold the up button. Now scroll down and select Add Controls. All of the additional controls will be available to choose from. When you have located one that you want to add, press the Start/Stop button. In this video, we will be adding sunrise and sunset. Once selected, you can continue to scroll over the available controls to add to the menu. To finish adding controls, scroll down to the bottom and select Done. Then press the back button to return to the controls menu. The new controls will be added to the end of the list in a clockwise rotation. To open or enable the control, press the Start/Stop button. When finished, press the back button to return to the controls menu. Additionally, we can also change the controls list order or remove used controls. To change the list order, press and hold the menu button to open the settings. Scroll down and select Reorder Controls. Scroll until you locate the control that you would like to move and press the Start/Stop button to select it. The image will include up and down arrows. Press either the up or down buttons to move the control's placement in the list. When you have found the desired location for the control, press the Start/Stop button to confirm its new location. You can repeat this process to move around any of the controls in this menu. Once you are finished, press the back button to return to the menu. If you want to remove a control, scroll down and select Remove Controls. Locate the control that you would like to remove from the controls menu. Press the Start/Stop button to remove the control. You may repeat this process to remove any other controls. To exit the menu, hold your palm over the watch to return to the watch face and disable the backlight. Next, we will discuss hotkeys. Hotkeys allow you to quickly access settings or features that you use most by holding a certain button combination. To begin customizing your hotkeys, start by pressing and holding the menu button. Use the up and down buttons to scroll down and locate System. Press the Start/Stop button to select it. Now scroll down and select Hotkeys. Here you will see various button combinations available. A few of them are preset to quickly access the main features of the watch, such as recent apps, watch face, and music controls. For this video, we will select Start plus Up, but the process will be the same for all other button combinations. Once selected, scroll through the available hotkey options. We will be selecting Save Location. You can continue to set up other hotkeys or cover the watch with your palm to return to the watch face and disable the backlight. To access the hotkey, simply hold the button combination. To exit, press the back button. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more help, please visit support.garmin.com.